How to plant flower seeds in pots and gardens. Hello friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to plant flower seeds in both pots and gardens. Whether you have a small garden or just a pot inside your home, by learning these methods, you can enjoy the beauty of flowers. So, stay with me. Many people prefer to plant flowers and plants in their gardens themselves because it is a very enjoyable activity, and seeing the results of their work brings a great sense of satisfaction. With this in mind, we aim to provide a complete guide on how to plant flower seeds in both gardens and pots, offering detailed information on both direct and indirect seed planting methods. Basic requirements before planting flower seeds. Planting flowers, like any other task, requires following certain principles and guidelines. To grow beautiful and healthy flowers, there are several key points to consider. First, after purchasing high-quality seeds, you must prepare a suitable planting bed. Then, plant the seeds using the appropriate method, either in your garden or in pots. Finally, ensure the plant gets the necessary sunlight and water it at regular intervals. Below, we briefly explain each of these steps. Selecting high-quality seeds. One of the most important aspects of seed planting is choosing seeds that are of good quality. Seeds should be evaluated based on their size, color, smell, uniformity, and freshness. But if you're new to planting flower seeds, we recommend choosing seeds with a high germination rate and those that are easy to plant. Preparing suitable soil and fertilizer. Choose soil that meets the plant's needs in terms of nutrients and moisture, otherwise, the seeds won't sprout and will quickly perish. If you cannot find suitable soil, consider using ready-made planting beds. Additionally, purchasing the right fertilizer will help strengthen the seeds during growth. Soaking the seeds. This helps speed up the germination process. A day before planting, soak the seeds in lukewarm water. If the seeds don't sink after 3 hours, their germination ability is low. Choosing pots or seed trays. Depending on the type of seed, planting conditions, and your preference, select an appropriate pot or seed tray for planting. Types of flower and plant seed planting methods. One of the key aspects of planting flower seeds is choosing the right planting method. Generally, there are two main ways to plant and grow flowers at home. You can plant seeds in pots, seed trays, disposable cups, or directly in the garden. However, the cultivation of flowers is usually divided into two categories: direct planting and indirect planting, which we will explain in more detail below. Direct seed planting. One method of growing flowers is to plant the seeds directly in the planting bed. If you're planning to grow flowers during the warmer seasons, direct planting in pots or gardens is a great option. Indirect seed planting. Indirect planting is one of the best methods for growing flowers at home, especially in colder seasons when seeds cannot be exposed to the cold outdoor air. If the weather is cold, you should plant the seeds in a warm environment like a greenhouse or indoors. After the cold is passed and the seeds have sprouted, you can transplant them into the garden or pots. Caring for the plant after planting seeds. After planting the seeds in pots or in the garden, proper care is essential to achieve the desired results. The soil in the pot or garden must remain consistently moist until the seeds germinate. It is also best to place the pot in direct sunlight to stimulate seed germination. We recommend placing pots near south-facing windows to ensure the plant receives enough light. Around 7 to 8 hours of sunlight is sufficient for the seeds. Sunlit gardens are also ideal for planting flower seeds. As mentioned in the seed planting guide, keeping the soil humid by using a plastic bag can help. However, if the temperature rises above 30 degrees C, fungi and bacteria may develop, eventually causing the seeds to perish. Some seeds grow faster, while others take more time, so you need to be patient. Once the flowers start to grow, continue with the necessary care and enjoy the beauty of your work. Important tip: make sure to read the information for each seed, as the care requirements and needs for each flower may vary. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Good luck!